Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. On this channel I help people to expand their consciousness and raise their vibration. Today I'm going to talk about 3 habits that really changed my life and may also change yours if you're open to it. I really think it's so important, these 3 habits, and you don't even have to do them like an hour a day. You can just do it 5 to 15 minutes and it will literally change your life just by practicing it. So the first habit is dancing. And I really do think that this is something that we need to do, something physical every day. And that could be dancing, because I don't like training and I'm not like a sport person, but I think we all need to move like physically and to get some movement with our energy and to be like healthy. But and then I thought like dancing, music, that makes me happy. I make music. I'm a songwriter and singer-songwriter, and I just think that by listening to music and like just expressing whatever I feel in the present moment, and that could be a negative or positive feeling, it could be confusion, sadness, anger, or it could be being happy or grateful. It could be like literally anything, and just being yourself in the present moment will help you to release those negative energies, so you will start to attract your authentic energy, your authentic self. When you being more like your authentic self, then you will attract people who are clicking in that energy. Because if you're like people pleasing and stuff, then you're just gonna like have these fake friends and not being the real you, and that would just make both you and the other person miserable in a way, because they can feel you like people pleasing and like want that validation you're not giving to yourself. So I think dancing will help you to express and release, because emotion is just energy in motion. So when you move, it's gonna be more like easy to just let it go and just feel it. The second habit is to meditate. And that is the most important habit I think to ever have, is to meditate. Because when you meditate, you are just in this present moment, just closing your eyes and just feeling whatever you're feeling, and just breathing and getting back to your authentic self and feeling this unconditional love from source and connecting with source. Because when you connect with the source, you will get like all these ideas you need, you will release all this negative energy, and you will get what is for highest good, and you can also communicate with source. And I really think that's a really, really important thing to do, just maybe 5 minutes, and then you can build it up to more and more minutes. But remember to exchange the habit with a negative habit, because we cannot have a full cup and then put something more in. We need to take something out of the full cup and then put something new in, something positive in instead. So when you're doing this, it's about like seeing your thoughts passing by like clouds and not giving them attention, and knowing that you have the power of what thoughts you want to give attention, want to give energy. But in meditation, it's just about observing your thoughts, just letting them pass by, not like giving energy or going into the thoughts. And then just feeling whatever emotion is coming up. But feeling the emotion without thinking. Like to see maybe this is the emotion. Maybe we just say it's sadness, and then there are like thoughts around this emotion, and you just let the thoughts pass by, or like this. And then just feeling the emotion itself. Because when we don't judge it, just feel it, it's gonna move out, because it's not a part of who we are authentically. It's just some kind of reaction from childhood or from yesterday, that someone said something negative to you or criticized you or whatever, or you criticized yourself because of something you experienced from your childhood that triggered you. That could be it. It doesn't really matter why it's there or how it was there, just to observe it and feel it, and know that it will let go eventually. And the third habit is to do something you love. And you could just start with maybe 10 minutes. But when you do something you love, you maybe are gonna get more in the flow and just want more and more and more. And then it's gonna be maybe a half hour even. But that could be like me, I like to write songs. It could be making a workshop if you like coaching others, or it could be writing about the mindset if you love doing that, or love to help people in some kind of way. Just doing something you love, and don't set limits on yourself. Just do what you really do want to love, your goal, your purpose in life. Maybe something that you have thought like, oh, I can't do that, I'm not good enough, or that will never be possible for me. But you need to start doing it every single day, and then you're gonna get in the vibration of doing it, and then you're gonna attract more of the opportunities of you doing more of that. Because it's what we feel we create more of. And if we feel we are lacking it, we're just feeling and creating more of this lack feeling around us in this material world. It works from the inside out. So doing something you love every single day for 10 minutes, and then building it up, as I said, from the other habits as well. And just choosing 1 or 2 habits I just said, and going for these habits for at least 30 days so you can see the difference. And you have to do it for 30 days because that is how you build a habit. It takes like around 30 days to make it like in your subconscious mind on autopilot, because we have a million habits that we do subconsciously. So it's about putting it in your subconscious mind and enjoying it, and just having discipline with yourself, because that is also to love yourself, to do what you truly love, what you truly want from your heart. Because when you love yourself, you can love others the same way, unconditional. And that is a journey, but when you just feel your heart, it's actually very simple to feel this unconditional love when you just feel your heart only. So yeah, I think that was it for today. And remember to like and peace for more, and subscribe with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And I just send you a lot of unconditional love wherever you are in your journey right now. And I'll see you next time.